What's good, YouTube? Hope everyone is having a good day. Want to start by saying thank you for helping me to hit 1,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna tell y'all have no idea how much this means to me. I truly appreciate you all dearly. And yeah, man, we finna run this up. Hopefully you all are having a great weekend so far. I'm actually on the way to do some Christmas shopping, and I'm very appreciative that it's not raining. It's actually a really nice day. And yeah, so can y'all believe we're on the brink of 2025 though? Like, that's crazy. What's y'all New Year's resolutions though? Y'all let me know what y'all New Year's resolutions are. Drop it in the comments. GM gang, we are running this up straight to 100K next year. And I've always been the believer of speaking things into existence. Hopefully you all are doing the same with y'all goals. Y'all gotta remember what I told y'all in the last video. Y'all gotta believe, man. Y'all gots to believe. Anything can happen if you guys just set your mind to it and just stay consistent, man. Y'all can do it. I wish every one of you all the best, for real. So y'all tell me, what y'all think about the new M5? Drop that down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Honestly, I think it looks nice, at least from the inside. One thing I will tell you is that I'm impressed with the straight line performance. Now I know what you all are thinking. The extra 1,000 pounds. Yeah, like, that's certainly not a welcome feature, but at the same time, I mean, it doesn't seem to be slowing it down, at least not on the straight line. Oh, this lane's ending. I was ready to tear this street up, man. Dang. I don't know, man. I feel like the physics will catch up though on an actual lap time. But I haven't driven one yet, so I'm not gonna say too much. Now I know they were saying earlier that there's not going to be a competition model, but this is a 7-year cycle, and every year they're gonna try to get better. So it's like, okay, they have to have a competition model. I just don't believe that they won't. It's gonna be interesting because looking beyond even the competition. If they were to come out with a CS, I mean, I'm sure that'd be crazy.
Highway.
Looking into the Mopar world, I don't know if y'all heard, but Tim Kuniskis is back. Now, he's not leading all of Dodge yet. It's just the Ram, I believe. But yeah, man, shoot, just his presence. I mean, he's back. And now it's like, okay, well, what does this mean for the Hemis? Are the Hemis here to stay now? Yo, what you doing, player? I know you ain't trying to cut me off. Is that a Pathfinder? Come on, gang. No, but like, yeah, man, Tim is back, and it's like, okay, now, like, that got me kind of excited, because I'm like, okay, if the Hemis are actually gonna stay, I might get a Charger for my second car, bro, for real. Now, I don't know too much about the new model. I don't know if they're going to continue to call it a Hellcat or if they're going to give it a different name, Hurricane. I don't know. But I will tell you, if they keep the Hemis around, I might be paying Dodge a visit. But as I was saying earlier, I mean, it's looking up for the car community, man. I'm gonna tell you. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe the V8s are here to stay. Man, and just like that, it's already pretty much dark. It's like, man, 4:58, and it's almost dark already. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. I will see you all next time. German Muscle signing out.